about a bumper sticker? Damn, the organ, yeah. What'd you find, Bear? Disperser, riot control agent. Oh, this is a CS gas disperser. It's for sale. $1,000 cash. American currency. It could be converted to be a flamethrower. But this is a military issue CS gas riot control disperser. Yeah, that's the biggest fire extinguisher, 2 cans of pepper spray I ever saw. For sale. Yeah. Give me a grand, Bear. There it is again, Bear. The knife of our dreams. There it is.
That is quite a piece.
It's a good boy.
This is
I don't know what that shell is, but I think it's for concealed carry. Sorry, guys. 35,000. This mini mag flashlight is in caliber 380 ACP. It's a 380 mini mag. I want it.
Battery's about dead, but it really works.
Boom. That is an awesome mini mag flashlight. I gotta get one of those.
Yep, these are the only two.
This place has all this stuff. That was a lot of fun. What about the
Right next to the minigun, or Gatling gun we got over there.
Let's go up there. I think nice spot.